Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever opened your Elementor and you get hit with the dreaded error? The content area was not found on your page. It is frustrating, confusing, and stop your creativity dead in its track. But don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly why this happened and how to fix it fast, no fluff, no headache. So first read this. You must call the content function in the current template in order for element to work on this page. So now I am working with new page. I am creating some page and editing with it. So, if you know this page in template architecture, template hierarchy, this page go to single.php. So check your theme is single.php or page.php file is there or not. So at here I am in the theme hello winter theme, and inside that I am not finding anywhere. So I am also at here template part and at here also not getting. Now I am putting this single.php in inside template part. It is for basically it is for demonstrate purpose. I also fix the this issue in many other theme, not in Elementor, because Elementor Pro, Hello Elementor is simple theme for Elementor, so it already fixed that issue. So I use now I added single.php. You can also add this single.php at here inside directly and in the theme structure, and so I am using inside template part single.php. Now check again. Now it is working and it is opening, and this issue fixed. Now let's solve for custom template which I made, faculty directory. So I am opening this with Elementor. So now it is also giving same error. The content is not there. So basically for this this faculty directory template, just go at here like Elementor, sorry, theme file editor, and inside that get your page template, and inside that you can you must check the content is available or not, and if not available then insert inside below header. Like at here it is showing the content, so I am putting same thing inside that, like Okay, I think it is not writable, so I am adding this code via our our theme. So going add here and going to paste template. Don't save, and add here paste template, and inside that I am putting my content, the content at here. Now you can also check at here, it is loaded. Now open our custom template, page with custom template. Now it is working. So now you can make any changes inside that. So basic thing is, if you are managing any template etc, like you are making changes, making any footer etc, then there should be single.php inside your theme, which theme may be pro or free version, so must be there. And if you are managing any custom template, then you must use the content if you want to use Elementor inside that. So now these you have it, and the content area are not found error in Elementor is more common than you think, but now you know exactly how to fix it. And if this video save your time, smash that like button, subscribe for more practical WordPress solution, and drop a comment in which situation you get this error. Thanks for watching.